Now on Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a chess knight. Now this is probably the hardest of all. So let's put a little thought into this. This is the base of the chess piece and it is circular, and so it would sit on a square looking down from above as a circle. But we want to draw it from the side, so as you kind of look from the side, the square turns into a kind of trapezium and the circle turns into an ellipse. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start off with kind of the imaginary square that it's going to be sitting in. So we're going to draw this as a trapezium or trapezoid, depending on which part of the world you live in. And this is done by basically that these lines will meet at the horizon line somewhere back there. And then in the middle, we're going to want to put our circle, except it's not going to be a circle, it's going to be an ellipse. So it's kind of an ovally shape like that. Now we're going to kind of draw it from something like that angle there, and we got a little bit coming up and then in and then up and around and like that. So I'm going to start with two little bits coming up on the side, and then that's going to be that kind of little bit down there, then it's going to go in, and then it's going to come around, and it sort of comes in and then out again. So it wants to come in a bit more, I think, and then kind of out, and then that's going to be the bottom half of an ellipse there, and then it's going to curve around to there, and it's going to create this kind of plinth that the horse itself, the head, is going to sit on. Now this is a very complicated shape. We've got little bits cut out there and the ears and all sorts of things like that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with a line going across there, which is kind of that line there, and then that will come across here, and we're going to want, this is kind of the chest of the horse coming out there, and then it will go up to the kind of neck, throat kind of part there. Now we've got a kind of a line here, and that's pretty much coming up to the top of the ears, which is kind of equal about above that point there. So we want that to be coming up about there. So we'll draw this curve coming up into the ears like that, so we can see roughly where we are. This is going to come forward, and then that's kind of going to be the bottom lip, and then we're going to want kind of the snout like that, and then it's sort of going to go up like that. So let's work out where this ear is going to go, up and down, and then this is coming over and around like that. So it's sort of coming down there, and we've got this, this is not easy. So we're going to kind of have the eye about there, and then we're going to see a little bit of the other eye on the other side, and then we're going to want that ear and a little bit more there, and then we're going to need a little bit more at the front there, and then we can draw this nice big sweep around the back like that. I'm going to start around about here with an eye, just so that we can see what is going on here, because it's very complicated. And that's kind of coming down there and up around there, and it's coming up there to the ear, and then this is sort of coming around there up to an ear, which then kind of comes down there. Yes, I think that's kind of looking right. This is really, really complicated, and I call this Draw Stuff Real Easy. It's not, is it? So that will come across there, and then we can bring that down there, and that down there, that down there, and that there, and then we can bring that along the bottom, and we got that kind of curve all the way up to there, and then we've got the back coming down like that. Now here we can come around and down and around there. And this again can come down, around, and there, and it's not too good, but it's not easy, is it? That will come to there. This will join up with a curve, and then this will join up all the way around down there, in a little bit there, which means then we need a little bit around there. And let's just fill in the rest of the square that it's sitting in. And then when you are completely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. Yeah, we definitely got some severe shade going on under there. And we're going to want some under here as well. And I think, no, we need a line going back there. So I think we'll have a little bit of shade on there and probably a bit under there. Now this horse doesn't have it there, but I think we could just kind of put little flicks in there for its mane, because you quite often see that on a chess piece. And I think we can just put that a little bit there and a little bit there, and then we're going to want some shade in underneath here, and that won't go right to the edge there, and then we're going to want some around here as well, and again that will sort of come and finish about there. I can put a little bit there and a little bit there, and then we're just going to want some on the chessboard to put it on the table, as it were, to make it look more 3D. And there you go, how to draw a 3D chess piece knight. Real easy? That's quite a difficult one.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.